Hello and welcome to Digital Literacy for All, brought to you by MonTogo.net YouTube channel. In this video today, we will learn how to secure your Word, Excel, and PowerPoint files using a password. But before we start, I would like to remind you, if you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will receive any of our upcoming videos. In this folder, I've prepared three separate files. There is a Word document, an Excel spreadsheet, and a PowerPoint presentation. We're going to learn how we can put a password on each of these files. We'll start with the Word document, then we'll do the Excel spreadsheet, and we'll finish with the PowerPoint presentation. You may be wondering, why is it important to put a password on a file? Let's say you are sharing your computer with somebody else and you got some confidential information on a document and you don't want anybody else to have access to it. So after you compose your document, you can put a password and only you can re-enter the password to access the file. Same way, maybe you want to send that file by email and you're not sure upon arrival how it will be treated, like how many people will have access to the email. So you can also password protect the file before sending it. Okay, so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to learn how we can put a password on a file. So let's say I take this Word document here. You see that opens no problem, just like any other Word document you've used before. So you can edit it. So if I close it and I reopen it, no problem. So what we're going to do, I'm going to show you how we can now password protect it, so that next time we're trying to open it, it's not going to open unless we use the password. To do that is simple. So we just go to File here, and then from File we go to Info here. And on this tab you see all the information about your document. You just browse till you go to Protect Document, you see here, and then you go to Encrypt with Password. So you click on it and then you can enter a password. So now I can go ahead and enter the password. Okay, and then confirm the password, then okay. All right, now I can close the file and I can go ahead and save it. So you see that the Word document is now closed. And if I try to open it, they will ask me to enter the password. So let's try and see. Perfect. You see, now I have to enter the password. Press OK to open the file, you see, and I can close it. If I try it again, same thing. You see? Okay. That's how we can password protect a Word document. Okay. I can close it. Okay, it worked on any computer. It will work on your computer, and even if you send it by email to somebody else, or if you copy it on a pen drive and try to open it in a different computer, you will need to add the password before you can access it. Yeah, I'm going to do an example. I'm going to send it by email, and I'll try to open it from a Gmail account, and you will see. So if I open Outlook here, and okay, I'll send it to subject top secret, and maybe add the test. Okay, now I can add the attachment. Okay, so this is the file I've attached. I'm going to send it, and you will see that when I open it from the second email account, I will be asked to enter the password. Okay, now I can close this and I'll open the Gmail account. Okay, so that's the email I send with the attachment. So if I open it, okay, perfect. The message is here, and you will always be seeing this kind of a warning. And this just means that Gmail wasn't able to scan the document, which is okay because it just means that the document is password protected, and even Gmail doesn't have access to it. Okay, so if you don't know who sent it, then don't open it. But if you know who is sending the message and you're expecting it, then we can go ahead and open it. Okay, and you can also confirm that it's safe and then open the file. So you see, they wouldn't let me open the file unless I type the password. So I'm going to do that and then submit. I don't need to save it. Okay, so that's it. You know, I open it with the Google Docs, but although it's now open with the Google Docs, I still have to enter the password before I can access it. So this is how you can encrypt a Word document and send it by email. Okay, I can go ahead and close this. Okay, so we did it with Word, and it's also possible to do it with the Excel and PowerPoint. So for instance, if I open this Excel sheet here, same thing. Okay, I can use it or I can password protect it for next time. So if I go to File and I go to Info, I go to Protect Workbook, then I go to Encrypt with a password. I can just go ahead and choose a password. Okay, and confirm the password. So make sure you don't make any mistake and you never forget this password, because if you forget it, then there is no other way you can access the file. Okay, so it's very important that once you pick a password, you keep it at a safe place and never forget it. Okay, I've encrypted this Excel file. So if I close it and make sure I save it to conserve the modifications, and I go back to open it, you see, now it's not opening unless I add the password. Okay, perfect. Now I can go ahead and close it. And same thing with the PowerPoint presentation. I'm opening it now here. It's just a normal PowerPoint presentation, and it's not password protected. But if I wanted to use this and make sure that nobody else has access to it because it's confidential, no problem, I can password protect this. Okay, so to do that is simple. Again, I go to File, and then I go to Info, and go to Protect Presentation, and encrypt with the password, and then choose the password. Okay, confirm. Okay, that's it. So if I close it, save it, and try opening it again, I will be prompted to add the password. Okay. So that's it. That's how you can encrypt a document, either as a Word document or Excel file or PowerPoint presentation. That's how you can add the password and make sure it's protected before either sending by email or keeping it on your shared computer. We are there of our video today, and I hope you've enjoyed the presentation. If that's the case, please share this video with your colleague. And if you haven't yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You can also support us in this project. You can do so by becoming a patron on our Patreon page or shopping on our online store. And you'll find the link to the store in the description of this video. Once again, thank you and see you next time.